Okay, August 7th, 2026 morning, Under the Wings 82 in progress. I'm thinking of drawing two Bleechy tongues from the allegorical sea monster here, coming down here. Okay, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Thank you, appreciate your feedback. Beautiful singing, chirping, chortling. Oops, got to draw fast, low battery here. Yeah. Okay, there's one. And to the other here. Okay. What else can we do? A few more extra sharp teeth here. Ooh. Not. Okay, it's looking pretty groovy. There's a lot of word. Feeling groovy. I think that was Simon and Garfunkel. The song. Gotta look that up. Okay, there we have it. For right now. Next, I'm going to work on the hair. I'm thinking of adding some color in the hair, like blue. And then I'll go over it with black ink, like in lines. All right, to be continued.